Hey, this is Chris with vidsociety.com, and in this video I'm going to do a review for you on the brand new DFY Suite 3.0. Now, if you've been following my YouTube channel, you've probably seen the DFY Suite 1 and 2. I've done reviews on both of them. This is the third one, which I'm really excited about, simply because they've really upgraded it. They boosted the entire network with 5 times as many sites, which is going to result in 5 times more ranking power and authority. And overall, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside here and I'm going to show you everything about DFY Suite 3.0, how it works, and I'm going to show you how to set up a backlinking campaign as I do it to one of my very own websites. Along the way, I'm going to throw in there some tips for you guys that'll probably help you if you want to try to rank your own videos and your websites. Now, below this video, you will find a link that will take you to my website to give you more details about DFY Suite 3.0, the bonuses, the upsells, the pricing, and a collection of bonuses you can get if you happen to buy it through my website. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in here. Okay, so this is your dashboard. It gives you a breakdown of all of your backlinks and campaigns that you've done so far, your total credits you have available, and the way the credit system works is it's very easy. 1 credit equals 1 backlink. So if you want to send 25 backlinks to a video or a website, it's going to cost you 25 credits. Same way, if you get 100 backlinks, it's going to cost you 100 credits. I believe there is going to be an OTO that's going to allow you to lock in a discounted price on monthly credits. Check out my website for details on that. Okay, so but this here is going to show you your credits. This is where you can also purchase more credits, as well as down here where it says credits and subscriptions. How many campaigns you've completed so far, campaigns currently posting, today's date, the average links built per month using their system. And then down here is an intro video and then a total amount of links that have been built for you. So this has been going on since 2018. They're updating it nearly every single year, making it better and better, high quality. And now what they've even done is integrated it with their last product that they had created, which was called Create, which is an artificial intelligence tool that creates content, really good content. And so now what they've done by integrating it into the DFY Suite 3.0 is it will create the content for you when you submit your URLs for backlinks, so you don't even have to have your own content now. So let's go ahead and jump over here on the left hand side. You'll see where you have your campaigns here in network info. If I go to network info, it's going to show you a breakdown of the network. You can see there's a total of 1,000 sites in the network right now, and down here it shows you the domain authority of these sites. So if we was to hover over, say, this one, you can see here that there's 106 websites in a network that has a DA, a domain authority of 12. There's 85 that has a domain authority of 13. And it goes all the way up here. They even have some with domain authority that is 25 and over. And then down here you also have the page authority, which also is a good indicator of the strength and the amount of authority that's coming from the pages that your backlinks are going to be posted on. And this graph here just kind of goes over and shows you a breakdown of the domain extensions of the sites that's in their network. So you can see there's .coms, .net, .org make up the majority of it, but then there's also some that are like UK, Trade, Top, Stream, Party, and it goes on. So there's a huge variety in here, which is really good to mix it up. Okay, so once you're ready to get started, all you have to do is go to campaigns, and they've made this whole process so much easier than what it was before. And so all you have to do is come up here and click on Create Campaign, which I'm going to do in a second. But first I want to talk about this a little bit. Basically, this just shows you all the campaigns you've already submitted, whatever name you gave them, how many links you submitted, how long you're having it to drip feed. I believe you can go up to maybe 21 days, I think. The date it was added, the estimated finish date, indexing links. If you have it checked, they will index the links for you. And the status of it currently, you can see this one here is posting. It's one that I just done here a few minutes ago before starting this video. The progress, and then the report, which will also be available here. So even if you do this for clients, you're going to be able to provide reports for them, which is really good. So we're going to come up here and click on Create Campaign, and we're going to give this a name. And so I recently launched a WordPress theme for crypto, and so what I want to do is go ahead and send some backlinks to this page and hopefully get it boosted up. So I'm just going to call this crypto WordPress theme. And then the URLs, you can enter multiple URLs as well as keywords. And it's really easy to do. You just type them in, hit enter, put another one in, hit enter. So if you have multiple URLs you want to do with one campaign, you can do that. For me, I'm just going to use just this one domain here. And I'm going to paste it, hit enter, and you can see it added it. Now down here are the keywords we want to be ranked for. When you go and try to rank your videos and websites, especially if they are newer websites, don't go crazy with your backlinks. Start off with a small amount and stretch them out over a period of several days or even a few weeks, because it's very unnatural to get a bunch of backlinks all at once to a brand new website, and that can actually hurt your website more than help it. So if you use this tool properly, it's really going to help you. If you don't use it properly, it can hurt you. Now, with that said, if you're trying to rank a video, say from YouTube, or to rank onto Google, you can send a lot of backlinks to your YouTube video. And that's because YouTube is a very established website and it already has millions of backlinks going to it. So it's not going to hurt it if you send another 100, 200, or 300 backlinks to a video on their platform. The same way if you want to rank an Amazon product. So if you sell on Amazon, you can drive backlinks to it. You can send a bunch of backlinks to your product page because obviously Amazon's all well established too. And it's not going to hurt them to get a bunch of backlinks. But if you're starting on a brand new website, just go easy with it. Now with the keywords, what we're going to do, I'm just going to do, we'll do crypto WordPress theme. We'll do crypto, and we'll also do done for you crypto WordPress theme. We'll do a WordPress theme for crypto. Hit enter. So 4 is good. Now if you need more information on understanding this, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Just click on these where it says more info, and it breaks everything down really well and gives you more details about it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click next. Now all we have to do is select between these options. I'm not for sure yet because DFY Suite 3.0 doesn't launch for another like 2.5 weeks. I got really early access for it so I could try it out and show you guys how this works. But I want you to make sure you check out the upsells on my website, because depending on what upsells you get, you may or may not have all these features that you're seeing here. For example, to automatically generate content, which means the DFY Suite 3.0 is now integrated with the Create content creator. It will automatically take the information you gave them and it will create content based around that, so you don't have to submit any yourself. And then if you have a YouTube video or a Vimeo video or anything like that you want to embed, you can turn this on. You can paste the URL in here and it will embed that within your articles. I don't have one, so I'm going to leave that off. Oh, actually, you know what? I do have one, but I'm not going to use it right now, so we'll just leave that off and I'll go ahead and click next. So for link quality, okay, so this is where I was telling you to be cautious about. This is a new website that I have, so I am not going to go overboard with it. I'm just going to take this up to about 50, and I'm going to extend it over a period of, we'll say, 10 days. And then when this is done, after about a week or so, I can go check, check some of my rankings, use some kind of a rank tracking tool. There's tons of them out there. Check my rankings, see if any of them's improved. If they haven't, I'm going to come back here and maybe do 50 more or maybe even 100 more, but I'm still going to drip feed it out for a few days just simply because it's still going to be new. I'm going to keep this on so it'll automatically index my links in Google and search engines. If the links do not get indexed, they're not going to help you at all, which is a problem with many of these other tools that you get backlinks from. They can create hundreds or thousands of backlinks for you, but if they don't get indexed, it really doesn't matter because the search engines are never going to see them. And so the DFY Suite 3.0 actually will index these links for you. So they're going to be much more powerful and have a bigger effect on your rankings and building your authority. So after that, we're going to click next again. And it's just going to give you a recap. So here's your URL, the keywords, the titles automatically going to be generated, as well as the description, the link count and all that, and we can click create to submit it. But before I do that, I'm going to go back here and show you that if we go back one more, if I turn this off for automatically creating content, you can enter your own here for the title, description, and the article. And this does support spin tax. So if you have an article with spin tax in the title, description, you can enter that in here and it will use that instead. And obviously it may be better quality or better related to what you're promoting or what your website or video is about than what Create's going to do, but Create will do it for you, and it is pretty good at picking topics and the relevancy of what your video and website is and creating the content for it. So just keep that in mind, and I'm going to use it to automatically generate the content. And we'll go ahead and go next, and create. And once we do that, you can see here now it has started, it's posting. I only done 50 links on this one, and we're going to drip feed it over a period of 10 days. So I'm going to keep an eye on this and check it. But that's how easy it is. It's super easy to create campaigns and to get backlinks. And if you do any kind of, if you have your own websites, if you have your own YouTube videos, one of the hardest parts about SEO is getting backlinks so they're going to rank better in search engines like Google. And the ones that you do find that have a little bit of authority, if you go to sites like Fiverr, Legit, or any of those, they're expensive. It's going to cost you $10, $20. For some of these really high authority links, it can be $50 or $60 just to get one of those links. And so when you look at the cost of DFY Suite 3.0 and the credit system and how it only takes 1 credit to get a backlink, it is an amazing deal. So this is a really good deal if you guys want to boost the authority of your sites and your videos, your e-commerce sites, or whatever it is that you're trying to do, to be able to manage it all in one place and just quickly go in there and throw some backlinks at it to help it get boosted in search engines. So this is DFY Suite 3.0. Once again, I'm going to highly recommend you guys go below this video, click on that link that's going to take you to my website. So where you can see a full breakdown also of the upsells, the pricing of them, so you know exactly what you're going to have to spend out to get access to DFY Suite 3.0. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you got questions or comments, just leave them below and I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Thanks.